to my channel. I'm Guye and you're watching Guye TV. So today we are back with another video. I am wearing the same shirt as last time because we're double filming nowadays. Double, triple filming, same days or whatever. If you are new to the family, hit the subscribe button, join the family. We do a lot of talking, a lot of improving, a lot of growing, a lot of crying. I mean, I ain't cried here yet this year, but it could happen. And so the next video, well, this video, I'm going to talk about the goals I had in 2018 and if I accomplished any of them, and I wrote them here. So every year, I think for the last 2 years, I did a video where it's like doing a recap of my 2018 best memories, worst times, this and that. And I never really go back and watch it. So I went back and watched it. Boy, my face was chunky. I might insert a clip or something, but my face was chunky like a chunky monkey. Glad those days are over. But I went back, I wrote down the goals that I had for 2018, and I'm gonna go over them with you guys to see if I accomplished any of them. And then I'm gonna show you guys my 2019 goals. So I have 2 notebooks because I wrote this December 13th of 2018. And then this is like where I took the notes of the goals that I had from the video. Plus I'm having some soup. You guys really can't see. So it's like, it's beans, carrots, celery, onions, and I put like cayenne pepper in there so it's spicy. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat and do both. So it's like a let's go over some things / soup mukbang. I don't know. It's good. My brother says it's too spicy, but that's when I know that means it's spicy enough. So let's go. So 2018 goals. Did I accomplish them? I'm nerdy, so I take notes. I don't know if you guys can see it. You can't, but it's okay. So the first goal I had for 2018 was to get my associate's degree in 2018 and my bachelor's in 2019. So unfortunately, due to so much that happened in my life last year, I didn't get my associate's degree the time that I thought I would. So I'm just now back in math class, the class that I need to graduate with my associates. And I have to take like beginning, intermediate, and then college algebra. So technically I have 3 math classes, and the only one that counts is the last one, which is so annoying, but it's okay. You gotta do what you gotta do to get where you need to get, right? So I didn't accomplish that. And then I put bachelor's in 2019, which will be happening. So to be continued. This is so good. The next goal I wrote down was to, hold on, I'm gonna see if this works. If it's gonna change anything. Does it? Oh, it turned it right back off. Whatever. The next goal was to travel 7 out of the 12 months. I didn't do that either. I traveled twice last year. I went to LA and Vegas, loved both places. Definitely want to go back again. I wrote down places that I already have 2 places that I want to go and that I'm like trying to make plans to go. So I didn't get to accomplish that, but I at least got to do 2 months out of the 12, and that's okay, which means I needed only 5 more. The next one was to get in the best shape of my life. That one I kind of did. I wouldn't say I had the best shape of my life, but at that time I was eating super unhealthy. I think it was like towards the end of last year I changed my eating habits. Like I cut out meat completely, and I was just a vegetarian, just eating super healthy, and that helped a lot as far as like me not being as bloated anymore. Like my figure is coming back, and I'm still working on it. So like I said, best shape of my life like may happen this year. I don't know, but I'm still very aware of like what I'm eating, what I'm putting into my body, what I'm drinking, what makes me tired, what doesn't. So I don't eat meat like it'll be weird. Like if I'm really hungry and there's chicken that my brother made, then I'll eat a little bit of it, but then I know like obviously that's it. I'm not gonna eat chicken again. Or like if I'm at work and I don't have money to eat and they already made food that has meat in it, then I just have to eat it. But like I definitely feel a difference. Like I feel tired, I feel sick, and I don't like it. So yeah, so I kind of started that. I wouldn't say I accomplished it, but I began it. The next goal I had written down was continue growing my business and create a book, boutique, etc. I didn't do any of that. I will say I kind of grew my business. I don't know. If you make a profit out of something, I guess that's creating or growing. I didn't accomplish that, but this year I will. The next one, to love on myself more. I definitely don't think, like I feel like I did, but I didn't. Loving on yourself is like it's like a continuous thing. You just never stop. So I think I did, but I don't know. I said grow more, which I definitely did. Last year kicked my butt and I feel like I grew so much. See loved ones more, families. Didn't really do that because of life situations, work, etc. So those are my 2018 goals. I don't think I accomplished very many of them. And those goals were not very specific. This year I want to work on like milestones and like targets where I like see results. So I'm going to read both. So my 2019, yeah, I want more milestones and more result-based goals. So the first one's to graduate. So graduating this year. Buying a new car is my second goal. Moving to a different state by December of 2019. Like I thought I was going to move earlier, but if I want to be smart and I want to save and I actually want to have like comfortability, I'm going to actually need to save. So that, I want to network more. I want to travel 7 times, and I wrote down like 5 of the places that I want to go already. Another goal is to continue losing weight and eating healthy, which I am, hence eating just soup. Be a full-time content creator, so that's like huge for me this year. Like I'm really going for it, you guys. I said screw it, like I have nothing to lose, so I'm gonna do that. Have a second side business. I'm working on that. Pay off all my credit cards. I think I started making payments to 2 of them, so that's good. I want to collab and get paid by brands for my content. Spend more time with my family, and I want to finish my book. Now I don't know if I'm going to finish the book, but it's still on there. I mean, it doesn't hurt to have it on there just in case. And another one is just to like grow my faith, like just to have more faith when things aren't going right, or when things are going right, and just having an understanding and a peace. I feel like last year my goals were kind of more internal, but this time it's like more external. Like I want to see results. Like I want to see my YouTube grow. I want to see my Instagram grow. I want to see like what I do online grow completely. I'm not even going to put numbers on it because I just want to see it grow, because any growth is good growth, you know. So that is that. I just thought I would share with you guys last year's goals and if I accomplished any of them, which I kind of did, but not really. But this year I'm more intentional with it. Like I said, I started my 2019 in October, so I've been doing really good with that. Like I said, look at my face, it's not as chunky anymore. I might insert the video. If not, I'm just gonna like tag it up there so you guys can watch it. Oh my god, oof, child. But yeah, that's it for this video that I'd share with you guys. And I want to know what your guys' goals were last year and if you accomplished any of them. And I want to know what your goals are this year and what are you doing to accomplish those also. You know, it's kind of a two-sided question here, but feel free to hit me up on my social media, add me on all of them, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and subscribe. So that's it. I'm gonna finish my soup now because I'm really hungry, and I'm gonna edit the video for tomorrow. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.